Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but I find it very interesting in response to a question that you have left me. A person who has problems with the engine of his car. It had been going on for a while, from time to time. It jerked while driving, but a couple of days ago, he stopped the car engine and then tried to start it but it would not start again, so he called a tow truck and took it to his workshop, and the mechanic put it in the diagnostic machine and the diagnostic machine showed a camshaft sensor failure, but the problem is that two new sensors have already been changed and the same failure continues, and his mechanic has told him that it may be that it has a problem with the crankshaft position sensor, which sometimes in the diagnostic machine does not reflect it and blames the camshaft sensor, but the problem comes from the crankshaft position sensor, and asks let's see if this is true, because he doesn't want to spend more money. Let's see. That's completely true. We've even seen this, requesting a camshaft sensor for the same problem, and that the sensor even came defective. I made a video about a sensor that was new and defective, but we have tested it, even asking for 3 sensors, that is, changing it 3 times. Of course you only pay for one of them. You call and say, hey, it works, send another, and when there are 3 changes, it is already very rare that it is the failure of the camshaft sensor. But before changing more parts, it is convenient to check that the problem does not come from the wiring. Sometimes it can even be of the ECU, or of the surface wear the camshaft sensor reads. It may have wear or dirt, because we have also seen that. But it is also true, that since they are synchronized, sometimes the ECU, in some engines, it confuses the failure. Due to its programming, it indicates a failure of the camshaft sensor, when really, what is failing is the crankshaft position sensor. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.